In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to connect the Analytics Workbench to SLC Hub. Navigate to Altair SLC Hub and click on Configure Connection. Enter the configuration details sent by your admin. Once entered, click Apply, Apply and Close. Navigate to Altair again, SLC Hub, and click Login. Enter your login details. Once entered, click Login. Navigate to Link Explorer. Right-click on Hub and click New Altair SLC Server. Choose the execution profile created for you by your system administrator. For demonstration purposes, I'm choosing the default profile, which is the standard. When completed, a new server engine is visible below the Hub icon. Navigate to File Explorer to view the contents of the Hub server.